Hi, I'm back again. Now, I would like to share some tips and tricks after using this HomePod Mini with you, which I would feel that it would be very beneficial for you. I'm not going to cover all the technical stuffs. I think those information are available on the internet, but rather I would like to focus on few handy tips and tricks which will be helpful for day-to-day usage. So you can see here are some of those which I would like to cover in this vlog. So please keep watching till the end. I hope you might have watched my previous vlog on unboxing this HomePod Mini. If you haven't, here's a link and please click on it and watch that vlog whenever you can. I think you will enjoy that. I can turn on and off Siri by doing a long press here, and then again if I tap on it, it will go off. You can play and pause the song by single tapping on it. So it will start playing, single tap, it will pause, single tap again, it will start playing. If you do double tap, it will go to the next track. If you do triple tap, it will go to the previous track. Apple has Apple has an app called Home app where you can control all your smart devices in your home and you can connect it all together. I think similar provision is in other platforms as well, obviously. But yeah, so now because we're talking about HomePod Mini and because I'm giving an example from Apple devices, so yeah, I have got that Home app on my phone where I have connected this device to the Home app. So once you connect this HomePod Mini to the Home app, and then in all your Apple devices, you will get the option to control this HomePod Mini through that Home app. So that's the flexibility which we get, and that's the integration which we get. And there have been many questions basically in my mind when I wanted to buy this HomePod Mini, because I have got YouTube music streaming service. Before that, we used to use obviously Apple Music. I mean, we had got different requirement for which we switched to YouTube Music from Apple Music. It's not like that Apple Music is not worthy, but it's definitely worthy, and we have been using it for many years. But then we have got a small kid, and we have to do have some offline download on certain cartoons and animations. So that's why we chose to switch to YouTube Premiere, and YouTube Premiere is giving that YouTube Music as a subscription. So that's when we started using YouTube Music. So before buying that, we knew that any Apple device will always give default support of the other Apple devices, or Apple services. So we knew that HomePod Mini is having default search on Apple Music, and we were not sure whether we can make that happen on YouTube Music or not. So I did search a lot, and there were hardly few information which we got on the internet. Even I visited Apple Store, iStore, and honestly, I found them struggling to answer my question. But then I think one or two articles which I found, I thought probably that will be helpful for me, and I tried my luck after buying this HomePod Mini, and I'm just going to share those settings with you so that it's easier for you to understand. If you have got any other music streaming service rather than Apple Music, then obviously you can also use that for HomePod Mini. But I think you also need to do some kind of check of whether Apple has extended the support on HomePod Mini for other music streaming service or not. I mean, I saw an article where Apple has extended support for YouTube Music, so I got it relieved, and that's when I decided to go for it. And now I'm going to share the settings with you. What I have done is very quick. Now I would like to show you how to connect YouTube Music to your HomePod Mini. For that, what you need to do, you need to go to YouTube Music. You need to go to the settings. You need to go to the connected apps, and then you connect with HomePod. It will ask for you to sign into your Google account, and then once you do that, it will say your YouTube Music is ready. And to verify it, what you can do, you can go to your home app, you go to the home settings, and you can click on your account, and you can see in the connected media you have got both Apple Music and YouTube Music. So once you do these settings, and if you give the voice command onto HomePod Mini, so it will search for that particular song on YouTube Music in this case, and not Apple Music. Hey Siri, play the song The Final Countdown.
Here's The Final Countdown by Europe from Joydeep's YouTube Music.
So you can see, right, that that HomePod Mini is searching the song on my YouTube Music subscription by default and not looking for that in Apple Music. You can also play music on HomePod Mini with the help of AirPlay. So you have got AirPlay in all the Apple devices like iPhone or iPad or Mac, and you can connect to HomePod Mini with the help of AirPlay and play music by choosing that a particular song from that particular device. So that basically means that you can play music on this device without a voice command. And while doing that, if there is already a song is playing on this particular device, it will ask you whether you want to replace that song with the song which you want to connect via Play. And if you say yes, obviously that song will start playing on this device. You can also control music from your iPhone. I mean, you can play the song from here, and then you can go to the home app, you look for the HomePod, and then you can, if you click on it, you will see what is the song being played, and then you can do further controls, whether you want to go to the next track or come back to the previous track. So you have got the control from your iPhone as well. It's a very good option to transfer music from your iPhone to HomePod Mini, or from HomePod Mini to your iPhone. So for example, you are playing a song on your phone and you want to transfer the song, or you want to play that song on your HomePod Mini. Obviously, we spoke about the AirPlay before, but there is another way. You can touch that phone on the HomePod Mini, and it will transfer the song from your iPhone to HomePod Mini to start playing over here. Same thing happens in the other way as well. For example, there's a song which you're listening to on your HomePod Mini, and let's say you are leaving for your work or something. You're going out of your home, and you want the song to be played on your iPhone. So basically, you can transfer by touching your phone onto HomePod Mini. The song will transfer from here to your iPhone, and you can leave your home by listening to the music on your iPhone. You can also set alarm with the help of the HomePod Mini. Hey Siri, please set an alarm for me around 4 p.m. in the afternoon.
I've set your alarm for 1600 hours.
This alarm will not be visible on the clocks app, which is there in the iPhone, but it will be visible on the home app, where you can tap the HomePod and you can see the alarm being set. There are a few more cool features in the settings for HomePod Mini which I'd like to share with you. So if you go to the settings of HomePod Mini, we can see there are certain settings which will decide how to activate Siri on HomePod Mini. If you touch and hold, then Siri will get activated, yes or no, and whether you want the light to be flashing on top of HomePod Mini when Siri gets activated, or whether you want a sound to be played when Siri gets activated on HomePod Mini. So these are the settings which you turn on and off as per your wish. There are a few more settings where you can decide the language of Siri, and then the accent, the type of voice which you want to hear from Siri. Apart from that, the one which I would like to show you is the automation. So there are certain automation features, which is basically the one which I have added here, which is out of the users who are connected to the home app and who are connected to HomePod Mini. So if when the last person is leaving the home, and at the time, if there is some music being played on HomePod Mini, it will automatically get paused. You don't need to do it manually. So that's a cool feature. There are more automations here which you can decide to use. Thank you so much for watching the whole vlog. Hope you have enjoyed it. We will be back soon with some more exciting experience. Please keep watching the space. You can click on the thumbnails visible on the screen to watch our previous experiences. Please don't forget to subscribe and share your thoughts in the comments section below. Till then, please stay fit and healthy. We will meet soon again. Bye.